What AI can't do. Despite its transformative impact, artificial intelligence, AI, remains a powerful but constrained tool. While it excels at processing data, recognizing patterns, and automating tasks, AI has significant limitations that prevent it from matching human intelligence in key areas. Below, we blend insights to explore where AI falls short, emphasizing why human capabilities remain unique and irreplaceable. 1. True understanding, consciousness, and emotions. AI lacks self-awareness and consciousness, meaning it doesn't understand in the human sense. It processes data based on patterns, not subjective experiences. It can simulate emotional tone or generate empathetic-sounding responses, but it doesn't feel emotions like joy, grief, or compassion. For instance, when AI responds to a heartfelt message, it's analyzing linguistic patterns, not experiencing emotional connection. This absence of an inner life limits AI's ability to form genuine emotional bonds. Additionally, AI cannot reason about ethics or morality independently. It can follow programmed ethical rules, but it lacks the human ability to grapple with moral dilemmas, often requiring human oversight to navigate nuanced real-world scenarios. 2. General intelligence and common sense. AI excels in narrow tasks, such as playing chess, generating text, or diagnosing medical images, but struggles to generalize knowledge across domains. Unlike humans, who can apply common sense and adapt to diverse situations, AI often lacks real-world context. This can lead to bizarre or incorrect assumptions, as AI doesn't possess the lived understanding that humans develop through experience. For example, an AI might misinterpret a simple instruction due to its inability to grasp contextual nuances, limiting its flexibility outside specialized tasks. 3. Creativity with intent and originality. AI can generate art, music, or stories by remixing existing patterns, but it lacks the intuitive spark, intent, or personal vision that drives human creativity. It doesn't draw from lived experiences or emotions, so its output is often derivative rather than truly original. While AI can assist in creative tasks, it cannot initiate meaningful innovation without human guidance or data input. It lacks the why behind creative work, making it a tool for augmentation rather than independent creation. 4. Physical and emotional tasks. AI's interaction with the physical world is limited without specialized robotics, which are typically designed for specific tasks. Even with advanced hardware, AI-powered machines can't match human dexterity, balance, or adaptability in complex environments. For instance, AI can't walk a dog or cook a meal without purpose-built systems, and even then, it lacks the versatility of human physicality. Similarly, AI cannot perform emotional labor. Roles like therapy, leadership, or caregiving require genuine connection, mentoring, or comfort, skills rooted in human empathy that AI can only mimic superficially. It struggles to build trust or provide the nuanced support humans offer in these contexts. 5. Ethical judgment and accountability. AI cannot be held accountable for its actions, as it lacks a sense of duty, guilt, or ownership. Ethical dilemmas often require cultural context, emotional insight, and nuanced judgment, areas where AI falls short. It might amplify biases from its training data or make decisions that are logically sound but morally flawed without human oversight. For example, an AI optimizing resources might prioritize efficiency over fairness unless explicitly programmed otherwise. 6. Deep understanding of human culture. AI can recognize cultural references but often fails to grasp their emotional or historical weight. It struggles with complex humor, irony, or sarcasm, frequently misinterpreting tone or context. For example, a joke's meaning might shift depending on the social setting. But AI lacks the cultural fluency to adapt its understanding dynamically, limiting its effectiveness in socially rich environments. 7. Operating without data or in novel situations. AI relies heavily on large data sets to perform well, struggling in areas with sparse or biased data. Unlike humans, who can hypothesize or imagine based on minimal information, AI falters in entirely new domains or unprecedented scenarios. Most AI systems also lack real-time learning capabilities unless specifically designed for it, and even then, their adaptability is limited compared to human reasoning. 8. Autonomous action and long-term goals. AI lacks intrinsic motivation, desires, or personal ambition. It doesn't plan for the future or pursue long-term goals unless explicitly instructed. Without a human-like sense of time, consequences, or purpose, AI remains a reactive tool, executing tasks based on inputs rather than acting with independent agency or free will. 9. Eliminating bias. Completely. AI reflects the data it's trained on, which often contains human biases. Even with careful design, eliminating all bias is nearly impossible, as it's embedded in the data or the human processes curating it. For instance, an AI trained on historical hiring data might inadvertently favor certain demographics unless actively corrected, highlighting its inability to independently address systemic issues. Conclusion: AI is a powerful tool, not a sentient being. It processes, predicts, and generates, but it doesn't think, feel, or choose like humans do. Its limitations, no consciousness, general intelligence, intuitive creativity, or ethical reasoning, highlight its role as a complement to human capabilities, not a replacement. As we integrate AI into society, recognizing what it can't do is just as crucial as appreciating what it can, ensuring we use it responsibly to enhance human potential.